Hi, it's Elijah and Danielle, and today we're going to be teaching you how to resize a chart. First, you're going to move the mouse to the white space to the left of the chart title. The mouse is a black four-headed arrow. Drag to move the chart to the left edge of the sheet and below row 11. Okay, then you're going to move the mouse to the bottom right corner of the chart. The mouse pointer is a two-headed diagonal arrow on the resize handle. Drag the mouse so it is in the bottom right corner of the screen. The chart expands to take up more of the screen, and you can see the columns and legend easier. Click the chart title and type Detailed Annual Sales. Click back in the chart to select the chart and move to the right center resize handle. Your screen should look similar. Ignore that. And then just save the workbook. Stop recording. YouTube videos.